Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making bratwurst with tangy red cabbage. Guys, this recipe is so good. It's so delicious and flavorful. I know some people enhances the flavor with beer, but with my recipe I'll be using beef stock instead of beer. This dish is not a traditional recipe guys you are used to. The other thing, we'll be using hard rolls with this recipe. We won't be using soft rolls. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in your skillet. Add bratwurst. Cook over medium-high heat, turning legs often as they cook. This will take about 5 minutes. Cook the legs until they are brown on all sides. Carefully add half cup of beef stock to skillet. Simmer for 12 minutes or until sausage internal temperature reaches 145 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the bratwurst and keep them warm. Now let's move on to cook our vegetables. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet over medium heat. Toss in the onions along with peppers and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Season with salt and black pepper. Continue to cook until the vegetables are soft and browned. Remove the vegetables from the pan and set aside. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the same skillet we used to stir fry our vegetables. Then we're gonna add garlic. Saute for 30 seconds. We don't want the garlic to burn. Toss in red cabbage. Season with salt and black pepper. Stir frequently. Then we're gonna add apple cider vinegar. Give it a good mix. Then, as soon as the apple cider vinegar dries up, the cabbage is ready. Now let's move on to our last step. Brush the bread rolls with olive oil and toast on a skillet over medium-high heat. Now let's go ahead and build these sandwiches. First, we're gonna put the burger sauce. Next, we're gonna put red cabbage, followed by the bratwurst, top with the vegetables. And there you have it, guys. Mama Bui's Bratwurst with tangy red cabbage. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. And if you do, let me know in the comments down below. And also, guys, I want to know how you make your bratwurst recipes. Please leave a comment down below so that we can all share our recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.